Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best threading dies that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Threading Dies. While the process of cutting threads using a tap is called tapping, the process using a die is called threading. Both tools can be used to clean up a thread, which is called chasing. Accordingly, a tap is used to cut the female portion of a mating pair, and a threading die is used to cut the male portion. A die cuts a thread on a preformed cylindrical rod, functioning like a bolt. Number 5. Winkle 40 pieces M3M12 screw nut threading die set. This set contains many taps and dies in different size for various tapping and threading. Adjustable wrench can easily mainly used for hand tapping. Main features: strength and long durability, easy and fast finding, adjustable to fit. Number 4. High precision M1 M25 threaded die set. There is also a storage iron box, which is convenient to carry and bring you more convenience. 32 pieces /set, including various tools to better meet your needs. Main features: specially designed, high temperature quenching, made of bearing steel. Number 3. UXL half-28 on F round threading die. Round dies are suitable for general purpose threading. Can process clean the external threads. Ideal for maintenance and repair work. Conical locking hole, strong locking and not loose. Main features: easy to easy. Made of tool steel. General purpose threading. Number 2. CNBTR metal 3.7 cm DL 1.0 inches threading round die. The unique MPN label on each inner package, which confirm it passed the quality inspection. Please offer it to us when you need assistance. Main features: high hardness, adjustable die handle, steel or aluminum construction. Number 1. 60-piece master threading die set. Perfect to create new threads, repair damaged threads on most metals like carbon steel, cast iron, aluminum, copper and stainless steel, taps and dies. Main features: most popular sizes, versatility and tapered teeth design, premium material and durability. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.